Make $55.78 first sale on ClickBank fast. So you can make money on ClickBank for free, which is the ClickBank affiliate marketing system. So in this system, you will don't need any website to make money with this system, or you will not need the money to promote the ClickBank products or offers online. So it is absolutely a free way and no charges is there. So you can make money, or you can make $55.78 for sale on ClickBank, which is the quickest, the fastest and reliable way that you can make money online with this system. So before starting the method, I would like to remind you that we do have other videos on ClickBank and also any other videos that how to make money online, even full-time jobs or part-time jobs. So you can make money with different applications online, and you can also have multiple ways online to make money. So if you visit our channel and check our playlist, you can find some awesome or brilliant videos and playlists that you can make money online with that. So Fiverr tutorials is there that you can make money with the different tricks and strategies that easy. Even if you don't have the skills, you can make money online with this system. And copy paste jobs are there which you don't have the skills, so you can just copy paste jobs are there, you can make money online with that. So also we have affiliate system and also affiliate marketing tutorials and ClickBank tutorials. You can just visit to these sites too to make money with these websites. So money, it is absolutely free way, and the strategies is free that you can make money online with that. So in today's video I would like to show you that how you can make money with ClickBank without any website or without any promotion online. So let's jump into the main website, ClickBank. So once you come to the ClickBank and you, for example, you can promote any type of products or offer, that is up to you what you would like. But my suggestion is that you have to use, or you have to promote those products which have the best gravity and the best popularity, or many people buy that product or service. So you can promote those, and because already the people are interested with that they are buying and purchasing online. So once you come to the ClickBank, you can click on the marketplace and you can click search bar here, for example, earn money, or even you can use any category or any niche you want, you can promote. So just search here. Once you click the search, the best part is that the main thing is that the main strategy is that you can sort by gravity. Once you click by sort, so you have to use the gravity or choose the gravity here. So once you choose the gravity, then you will have, for example, this product which has almost 220.49 gravity, which is the best gravity. Means this product is selling people online and many people are buying these products online. So it is the best way to make money with this product. So if you are just watching, for example, the title is the 12-minute affiliate system. So it is a hot offer, means excellent offer that you can make money with this. If you want to see the website, so click here and you will be redirected to a page like this one. So this is the main page that you can see. For example, they will show you the video, and after that they will require your first name and your email address. So then you can get into the system right away. And if you want to see their affiliate system, for example, if you are promoting this product, so you can see, click here affiliate page, you will find some information about that page. So how you can promote, for example, they said who else wants to make monthly recurring income up to 398.50 per sale, all while promoting a product that actually helps the people who buy it. So it means many people buy this product, so you can also promote and you will have a great amount of money with this product. So if you see, they give all the information, the details, the instruction that how you can promote, how you can have the data for you to promote this product. So JB notification list, get your affiliate links. Okay, so how you will promote this product. So that is easy just by clicking the link here. Might be you already know, just promote, click on the promote, you will have another page. For example, once I click here, you will see another page available or open that you can find out your link here. So you can then generate, click on the generate half link on that. So my internet connection is I think gone, so that's why it's not opening. But you can simply by the clicking the promote button, you will have the link, and you can copy that link and then just convert it or make shorten in any other shortener or something like that. So then you can use for promotion. So if you come here, their affiliate page, you will see different thoughts and different ways that they are saying that you can promote by these way and that ways, because people are interested with this system. And they, even if you are promoting this system, and they also give you the emails and codes and banners they have provided for you, you can simply copy that and paste in your promotion or something like that. These are different banners that you can use. So if you want to use the link, you can also copy the link and promote on any other website or something like that. So, and also they give the emails that if you are promoting this product in email, sending the emails, if you have email list, so you can simply copy paste the emails and then you can send to them, to other people, and they can buy these products. They almost have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 emails, follow-up emails they have, so that you can promote this. So the main strategy that I would like to show you today, that is you grab your link, you choose the ClickBank product and you take your link. So then go to Ezine article. Ezine article is, if you don't know, Ezine article is a free article source that everybody can grab the links or the products, or for example the links from here, from this website, and you can then copy paste it in any other ways, or else means no copyright strike or something like will be there. Okay, means it's absolutely free that you can use. So you can simply search here, for example, affiliate system, because your product is according to the 12-minute affiliate marketing system is that. So you can also search an Ezine, for example, affiliate marketing system. So once you find, you will see different products online, different articles available here. So you can then select one article. So the main strategy is that select the best article which compare to or similar to your product. So once you choose, then you can copy the title and description of that, and then you can search on the Google by LiveJournal.com. That is also a free source of the articles that people are coming and creating their accounts here, and after that they are promoting their products here, means their article, they are writing their article. So what you will do, you will just simply take the Ezine article from here and create the LiveJournal account here. How you can create the article, the account and LiveJournal? So you can simply click here on the create blog. Once you click on the create blog, you will see a new page available that they will require your username. You can add your best username that will be available, like that will be something like your website or like your blog. So you have to choose the best and great name for that. So then you can add your email address, your password, your birthday, and after that your gender status, male or female. So once you finish with this, then click on the create account. So once you click the create account, you will see another page that it will be open, but they will require from you to change it, to activate your email address. So verification is already sent to your email or your inbox, so you can simply visit your inbox and click on the confirm button. So once you confirm, you will have a page something like this one, which is the main page of your account. So that will be your account, and also LiveJournal main page. Or you see, there are different people have come here and they promote their articles here. So you can simply also copy those that article and paste it here. And the best part is that it is rank in the Google also. Means when people search on the Google, so you will also have, if you use the best keyword, a related keyword, so you will also see your articles over there. So that is the main benefit and the main strategy that you have to use. So if you use here, anyone who need this similar things, affiliate system on the Google, so your link or your articles will be also there, and they can just click on that, and they can see your article. And in your article you have to use the link. So how you will use the link? That is simple. So just by going to clicking the first new entry, see, first new entry. Once you click here, so you will see, for example, this is your page, and you can just copy paste there. You can grab the article title here, means you can give me a best affiliate marketing trick, for example, or something like that you can use. And after that you can write the body or the description of your article. Means you can go to eZine articles and you choose, for example, this one, the article, or someone else. So you can just copy the whole article and bring to LiveJournal, and you can add, for example, here, so this as a brilliant, for example, affiliate system that you can have in your hand for free, or something like that. So you can just copy the whole article and paste it here. So I'm just showing the way that how you can do that. So once you copy here and paste it here, copy from there and paste it here, so then you will see the link. You have your affiliate link from eZine, from ClickBank, this article, okay, this link. When you get link from here, from the promote, then you can have, for example, select the best parts that you like, for example, here, and add your promoted links, for example, by adding just, okay, click on this chain. Okay, once you click on the chain, you can add your link here, for example. Okay, so for example, this is the link, and just you're done with that. Okay, so you can just put your link 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and for example, in each paragraph you can keep your link. If somebody just comes here and see your article, watching your article, they are clicking on the link. So once they click on that, so they will be redirected to the page like this one. Once they buy, you will get the commission of $55.78. And this is not the whole method, but the most important thing is that you should use the tags here at the bottom. You see here, okay, they said start writing tags separated by commas, each new or selected from list. So the best part is that you use tags available. If you are promoting affiliate marketing or affiliate system, so you have to write 12-minute affiliate system, then comma affiliate marketing, comma, then make money online, comma, then use multiple and a lot of tags here. So once you finish with tags, then you can come, and the most important thing is that visible to all. Okay, so sometime at only friends groups only I is selected. So you can use visible to all, means everybody online or in search engines of Google's and anywhere can find your post. So select all, and after that then come here to choose turn and publish. Once you click on the publish, so if you want to publish right now, it is good, you can just click on the publish. So here is something else that you enable comments are available, and code to rating is available. So these are all available. It is good settings. You can just leave it by default. If you want to just post this article, for example, at night or at the morning or afternoon, so then you can just click here and select the date, time, and others here. Okay, means that will be something like scheduling. Okay, you can schedule that, and then tune in and publish. Click on the publish, so your article will be just available on Google search engine. So that is the whole review and the whole way and strategy that I show you, that how you can make $55.78 per sale on ClickBank fast, which is absolutely a free way. And this system is a really great and excellent system that you can make money online with ClickBank. It is absolutely free and easy. So just find out the link in the description of this video for LiveJournal and eZine articles that you can just go directly and create accounts and copy paste each and everything to promote ClickBank products without any promotion or without any cost, or you can even spend a single dime. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, even full-time jobs or part-time jobs. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified of that. So if you want more, please visit to our channel for more brilliant videos on how to make money online. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.